morning students, welcome to my class Maths Parsala. In previous video we were doing exercise 13.2 Maths of class 9. Till question number 5 we had completed. Now we will do question number 6. Question number 6 is CSA or curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. So we will write in given CSA equal to 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter, radius equal to 0.7 meter, then find its height. Then we have to find the height. Height equal to question mark. All of you knowing the formula of CSA, curved surface area of a right circular cylinder equal to 2 pi RH. At the place of CSA we can write 4.4 equal to 2 into, all of you knowing the value of pi, 22 by 7 into 0.7 into h. This 7 will be cancelled. Now we will do cross multiplication. 4.4 into 10 equal to 22 to the 44 h. This implies h equal to 4.4 into 10 equal to 44 upon 44. If we will cut it, then we will get h equal to 1 meter. 1 meter. Therefore, we can write height equal to 1 meter. It is our required answer. In this way, we have completed our question number 6. Now we will do question number 7. Question number 7 is the inner diameter of a circular wheel is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find the inner CSA. It means inner curved surface area. At first we will write what is given. Given diameter D equal to 3.5 meter. So we can write R equal to 3.5 upon 2 meter. And deep means height. Height equal to 10 meter. Then we will find inner CSA. Inner CSA equal to 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7. At the place of R we can write 3.5 upon 2 and H is 10 meter. Now we will cut it. 7 1 just 7, 7 5 just 35. This 10 will be cancelled. 2 2. So inner CSA equal to 22 into 5 equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. 110 meter square. Now second part we have to find the cost of plastering. So we will find total cost equal to 110 into 40 equal to 11 4 ja 44 and 20 we will put. So our required answer will be 4400 rupees. Now we will do our question number 8. Question number 8 is in a hot water heating system there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. We will write what is given in this question. Given length. Length means we can write height. Height equal to 28 meter. And next diameter equal to 5 centimeter. So we can write radius equal to 5 upon 2 equal to 2.5 centimeter. If we want to convert centimeter into meter, then we have to divide it by 100. Because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 0.025 centimeter. Now if you remember, you may have seen what water heating system means. Water heater, it is generally in the form of cylindrical and it is open from top and bottom both the sides. So total radiating surface will be only CSA, curved surface area. So here also we will find CSA. CSA equal to 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7. R equal to given 0.025 and H equal to 28. 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja 28. Now we can find the values. 44, 20, 2 2 ja 44 into 0.025 into 4. If we will multiply it, then we will get the values 4.4 meter square. In this way we have completed our question number 8 also. Now we will solve our question number 9. Question number 9 is, find the lateral or CSA of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. We will write the solution. At first we will do the solution of first part. Given storage tank is diameter, given diameter 4.2 meter. So we will write diameter equal to 4.2 meter. Therefore radius equal to 4.2 upon 2 equal to 2.1 meter. Height is given 4.5 meter. And in question asking CSA, curved surface area. So we will write CSA equal to 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7. At the place of R we can write 2.1 and value of AC is 4.5. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. Now we will multiply it. 22 2 ja 44 into 5 3 ja 15, 1 carry, 4 3 ja 12 and 1 13. We will put decimal after 2 digit. Now we can multiply it. 135 into 44. 4 5 ja 20, 4 3 ja 12 and 2 14, 1 carry 5. Here also 0 4 5. 0 4 and here 5 and 4 9 and 5. It means 59.4 meter square. It is our CSA. Now we have completed our first part. Now we will do our second part. How much steel was actually used if 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? At first try to understand the concept. If we want to make anything, then we will use or we will make all the walls, top and bottom, all the things. So here we have to find at first TSA, total surface area of the steel or tank. So we will find at first TSA. TSA equal to 2 pi R into R plus H. 2 into 22 by 7. At the place of R we can write 2.1 into 2.1 plus 4.5. Now we will solve it. 22 2 ja 40. Here at first we will cut 7 3 ja 21. 44 into 0.3. If we will add, we will get 5 and 6 and 4 and 2 6. Now we will multiply it. 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12 and 1 13 into 6.6. Now we will multiply it. We can do multiplication this side. 132 into 6 6. 4 3 6 2 ja 12. 1 carry 6 3 ja 18, 1 19, 1 carry 6 1 ja 6 and 1 7. Here also we can write 2 9 7 equal to 2 9 to 11, 9 and 7 16, 1 17. So we will find 87 1 2 and after 1 and 1 2 digit we will put the decimal. This much meter square. It is the TSA of tank. And now read the question. How much steel was actually used if 1 by 12 of steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? In this question actually we don't know how much steel was actually used, and 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted. So at first we will let the steel actually used be X. Here we will write let the steel actually used be X. Then according to question we can write X, and the wasted part is 1 by 12. So X minus 1 by 12 of X equal to TSA. Then X minus 1 by 12 equal to 1 by 12 into X we can write. TSA, at the place of TSA we can put the value 87.12. Now here 12x minus x equal to 87.12. Here left 11x equal to 87.12 into 12. This implies x equal to 87.12 into 12 by 11. Now we will simplify it. We will simplify it, then we will get the value 95.04. 95.04 meter square. Therefore, actually used steel be 95.04 meter square. It is our required answer. In this way we have completed our question number 9 also. In next video we will do more questions. Thank you students for watching me.